Good day everyone. Welcome back again to the Microsoft Word application course. Well, we will be dealing with working with the documents, and in this part of the course we will treat a number of topics as you see on the screen. Creating blank documents, creating documents using templates, saving your documents, creating backups for your document, closing your document without closing MS Word application, opening your document, printing documents, and exiting document. Now we will actually break down these whole topics into um, roughly a number of videos, say around 4 or 5. And for this part, which I call part 1 of working with the documents, we will be dealing with creating documents, that is for blank documents, and then creating documents using templates. So let's begin on this too. So if you want to create documents, first, to create a blank document, in one of our earlier videos on starting MS Word, one of the ways you can create a blank document is when you start the Word application. That means when you're just about opening the Word application, and we can show that again by repeating the steps here. So you can do that by either using the search box here below on your window or the start button. So we're just going to pick one of them. So here we will use the start button by clicking start. We will look for the Microsoft Word or the Word logo or icon, which if you go below to the letter W, and here you find it, and if you click, it brings out a window where you go to new, because we're talking of a new and a blank document, and you can select the blank document by clicking on it. So when you click on it, a blank document appears, and that is the first step to creating a blank document. You can reduce the view if you want by clicking the zoom level here. So a second way of creating a blank document is by using the tab or the menu bar. Remember, we talked about tab or menu bar in one of our videos. So here is by doing it from the file menu or file tab. So to create a blank document, you click file, and here you see there's new, but you can also see there's already new here. Well, for the sake of practice, we click new again, and there you can see a new blank document. Then you can click blank document, and again you see that a new blank document comes. You see that this one is called document 4. That's because I already opened a number of MS Word document. So the first one I created, which is blank, is document 3, and now this one, it's called document 4. Now the third way to create a blank document again, which in this case will be named document 5, is by using the Ctrl plus N button. I will type how that looks like. So this is Ctrl on your keyboard plus N. This simply means you press the Ctrl button on your keyboard without leaving it, and then you press the N button. Let's see what happens when I do that. Although the video you can see me do that, but I'm doing that on my keyboard. So I'm pressing the Ctrl and I press an N. And there you see a new document called document 5 appears. And these are the ways you can create blank documents. Okay, so that's for blank documents. Now you can also create a new document, but this time you can also do it from a template instead of completely blank. So to do that, let's minimize all the ones we have created so far by minimizing them. We will leave this on the screen for now. So to create a new document using templates, in this case, you can do that by going to File, and instead of going to New, if you look here, you can see there are a number of templates, but if you also look below, you will see that you can search for templates here, but maybe it's wise to click new. Then let's click new. Yeah, this is much better. So under the new, you can see a lot of groups for templates. So for example, business card templates, flyers, letters, education, resumes, and holiday. Now you can choose which group you like, or you can just scroll down to see if you already found what you want. But just for the purpose of practicing, let's say we want to create flyers. So we choose this group, and this will display a number of flyers. And from the list, you can select the flyer you want. Let's go for this particular flyer, or this one, dog walker. And if you click it, it brings out another window, and you can simply say create, and you wait for it to download your template. And it takes a while sometimes, depending on the speed of your computer and what happens, but then let's see how well that goes. Normally it should be faster than this, but I think something is happening at the background of the computer. So it takes a while, but there it is. So, and we can reduce the view here. And you see, so this is how to create a new document, but not a blank one, which is with a template. So that is all we practiced today, and see that it's named document 6. So here you can see that we are able to create blank documents and also using a template. And that will be all for this video for today. In the next video, we will continue with a list of things under working with documents in Microsoft Word. Thank you and goodbye.